on the camera so that you guys can see how I installed them. These clips come in handy, so go to the hair store and buy you some. So sometimes on certain pieces of my hair, I put some shine gel on it so that it could be thin. Tighten the rubber band how tight you want it. Grab your hair. This is the size that I'm going with. With this is, I'm going to wrap the hair around like this, and then I'm going to act like as if I'm braiding it. And I make it as tight as I want, so I pull my real hair to make it tight. And then I take some of the hair from the two strands and I put it with my real hair so that it can all be even. So whichever one feels thin, you take some for the thick one, from the thick one, and put it in there. So that is what I'm doing right now. And then I'm just going to braid it on down. And throughout the whole plait, you want to make sure that all three pieces are the same size. Plait it down later on, so I'm going to do another one. And like I said, the same size through all of them. I'm going to grab this one. I'm going to put some jam on the ends. What I'm going to do, tighten the rubber band, and then I'm going to wrap like it's like that, and then start to braid slowly. And now I'm going to take some hair from this one and put it in my middle one and continue to braid. All the way down. And now I'm just going to go back to this one and braid this one back down. And make sure that you braid tightly so that the braid doesn't unravel. I put the braid on my mouth to help me go faster, because when I got it down like this, I go slow. When I put it, like, it's not in my mouth, but it's like my lips is like folded, so it's not getting wet by my saliva. But I just do it like that so I could go faster. So these two braids, not this one, these two braids are all the way braided down. And when I get to the front, like these parts, I'm gonna come back on and I'm gonna show you guys again, but I'm gonna let Noom show you her way of how she do them, and then I'm gonna show you, I showed you my way already. So comment down below some more hair videos that you think that we should do, because I want to try the butterfly locks. Let me know if I should try the butterfly locks on me or on her. There's this like button if you feel like my hair looks cute. Also, let me know if this was very informative to you. Like, smash that like button, comment and subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend to subscribe to Kiara's Beauty.
And then want to get your weave. We're doing small. Then make sure your hands in it. Then you want to grab the hair like this. Then you want to grab this hand and wrap it around. I'll show you one more time. Like this. And then let it go. And grab this hand. Then you want to grab this in your hand like this. Then wrap this piece around like that. Then grab these two fingers and wrap it and pull it. Then put the weave, these two on the same side and this one on the right. Then this braid. Act like you doing feeding braids. And you want to put jam on the real hair for it to lay down. You don't see the hair. This, then this. want to split the hair in half, the weave in half, so I could go with the real hair.
Done with my hair. This is like how long they are. This is how they look. All I have to go do is dip them in some hot water, which I'm going to go do now. See how like full they are. The part's ain't right, but you get it. So you guys, I am done dipping them in hot water. As you can see, they are still wet. So while they are still like, say thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you smash that like button, comment down below some more hairstyles, and if you believe I should do a butterfly locks or me a Nunu, let me know, because I want to do it. If you found this video very informative, smash that like button, because that was 2 people showing you 2 different ways on how they do box braids, with rubber band method, so that you guys will see like my way versus her way, because we do them differently. So if you find it very informative for a beginner, smash that like button, comment down below, and let me know some more hairstyles, and we're just gonna peace out. Bye.